Conquer the world in 50 hours.
Baba, easy English. Baba, easy English.
Speak English within 50 hours.
Okay, it's a very nice program. We can easily learn English.
Wow, Baba English speaking is fantastic.
Super, excellent program.
This is very entertaining and useful program. Yo,
Baba Easy English is so amazing.
it's a highly interactive program.
Full of play, meditation, yoga, everything together. So interesting.
Savari Giri Giri, marvelous experience.
This is the right platform. Hats off to Baba sir.
It is an absolutely mesmerizing program.
No need to learn grammar.
It's a revolution which collapsing the entire traditional English learning system.
Conquer the world in 50 hours.
Baba, easy English. Baba, easy English.
Speak English within 50 hours.